Hello and welcome to the Fix-It Shed. As you may have noticed on a previous video when I was replacing the headlight bulbs on the Matrix, the lenses are a little yellowed and foggy, so I wanted to do a video where I clean them up. I've got this Mother's New Lens restoration kit. I used this a few years ago on a different car that I had. I thought it worked pretty well, so I thought we could give it a shot today on the Matrix and see how they do. You know, Mother's is not a sponsor. This was a kit that I bought probably about 5 years ago. I think it cost about $20. So let's check out what's in the box. Alright, so as I mentioned, I've used this before, so these were the sanding discs that I used last time. It does still have two more of these sanding discs and a polishing disc. You've got your foam polishing tool, so the plastic polish for the headlights. So some of the things that you're going to need to provide are blue painter's tape, a towel, spray bottle with just plain water in it, and a variable speed drill. So the first thing you need to do is tape off painted areas around the light so that when you're buffing it you don't rub off any of the paint. The sanding discs are just for severely damaged headlights, so they want you to try just the foam pad first. So we're going to give that a shot on this headlight. If it looks like it needs a little bit more attention, we'll come back with the sanding discs. So you just want to apply a nickel-sized amount of the plastic polish, and then you want to apply it to the headlight, and you want to start the drill slowly so that you're not flinging the polishing compound all over the place. Well, that's not bad. That's definitely a lot clearer than it was. And if you look compared to this side, it's quite a bit better. So let's just try the foam pad on this side too. And again, I've just got a small amount on the foam scrubber. Let's see. This side is still a little cloudy, so I'm going to go to the sanding disc. So I'm going to remove the foam pad, and I'm going to put one of the new sanding discs on here. This is the 800 grit sanding disc. Okay, and then you want to use your spray bottle of water. And you want to wet the surface. Okay. And you want to keep the disc flat. You don't want to be up on the edge. Okay, so now that has scuffed the surface a little bit and made it cloudy again. So I'm gonna use the 1500 grit. We're going to replace the 1500 grit sandpaper with the 3000 grit foam sanding disc. And this you want dry, you don't want to wet sand this. Now we've gone through the 3 sanding discs, starting with the 800, the 1500, and the 3000 foam pad. And each step has made it progressively clearer. And now we're going to go back to the foam scrubber and the plastic polish. Yeah, that's a definite improvement. That looks really, really good, nice and crystal clear. In fact, it's actually making this one look a little bit yellow. I may go back and redo this one a little bit too. So after getting a second and third opinion, it looks like this one probably could be a little bit better. It still has a little bit of a yellowish tint to it. So I'm going to go ahead and sand it and then polish it again. Overall, I'd have to say I'm pretty happy with the end result. That looks pretty clear to me and not yellowed. So I'll call that a success. And thanks for watching the Fix-It Shed. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks. Take care.